Today we're going to take you to the Big Cat Habitat and Sanctuary in Sarasota, Florida. The Big Cat Habitat Conservation and Education Center is a diverse zoological park. It is located just minutes from historic downtown Sarasota. The zoo sits on 20 plus acres. This here is the African caracal, and it is about 25 to 40 pounds. Their lifespan's about 12 years. They're from Africa, Middle East, and Central Asia. Here are the brown bears. So brown bears weigh anywhere from 250 to 900 pounds. They live to be about 25 years old. So the brown bear has 16 subspecies, and the Kodiak brown bear is the largest. For a small fee, the caretakers will allow you to feed the bears. Next is the African lion. The lifespan's 10 to 14 years. They weigh anywhere from 250 to 600 pounds. They're from Africa and Asia. And the male lions are the second largest living big cat after the tiger. Big Cat Habitat is a non-profit organization. Their mission is to provide a safe, loving, and permanent home for exotic and domestic animals in need. The attraction is cared for exotic animals like lions, tigers, bears, and chimpanzees since 1987. In addition to housing various animals, the faculty hosts a bird and big cat shows with educational talks and demonstrations. The only bird that really said anything was the big macaw, and he just said hello. But the rest of the birds, they kind of stayed away. There is a charming petting zoo area, which is delightful for the old and young. They have meet and greets with the goats. They have a lot of turtles. Patrons are encouraged to get up close and personal with the petting zoo animals. Sulcata tortoise are huge. They have a lifespan of 70 years. Their weight is 79 to 110 pounds. You can find these turtles in the Sahara Desert. And some cultures in Africa believe that the Sulcata turtle is an intermediary between people and their ancestors and gods. Next, we have the monkey cages. These capuchin monkeys have a lifespan of 25 years. They weigh up to 9 pounds, and they're found in Central and South America. They are very intelligent animals. The lemurs are about 5 pounds in weight. They have a lifespan of 15 to 18 years. You can find these lemurs in Madagascar. So the red-ruffled lemur families are one of the loudest. They're highly vocal. Their loud voices can be heard nearly a half mile away. We have several live shows a day that are free. This right here is Birds of Paradise, where they have macaws, cockatoos, and they do little tricks on the tables. My favorite is the Bengal tigers. They live to be about 8 to 10 years old. They weigh about 250 to 900 pounds. They are an endangered species, and they're found in India, Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Myanmar. So it's me and my parents having a good old time here at the sanctuary. I hope you enjoyed my video on the Big Cat Habitat Sanctuary. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.